Good morning, students. Good afternoon, students. Today, we will continue with the topic of weighted average, but now we're going to learn about the slugging average. Okay? Do you like baseball? I do. My favorite team is Venados de Mazatlan, which is the team from the city I came from. And I really like it since I was a kid, and what I really enjoy most is eating and drinking in the baseball stadium. Okay, so when it comes for players' performance, how do they know if a player is good or is not enough good or good enough in this baseball activity or sport? Okay, something that is called a slugging average tells you how this athlete is performing in his career. Okay, I will let you know that the slugging average first, the slugging average equals the bases counted divided by the at bat totals. So anytime that a player goes to the at bat position will be counted here. So it's slugging average equals bases count divided by the at bat total, or the times that he has the opportunity to hit the ball with the bat. Okay, I will explain a small example. Let's say that a player had 258 bases in total, and he went to bat 358 times. All right, so how can we know the average for this player? Okay, what you need to do is this: just divide bases counted by the at bat totals. Okay, when you divide this, you get 0.720. Okay, this is the answer for that. Okay, so this is the first problem that we are covering today during direct instruction. Okay, I will continue with another problem in this space. All right, how do you get the bases when you have this information that is the slugging average and you have the at bat that the player went to home to bat? Okay, if you follow the formula, bases counted equals at bat times the slugging average. Okay, so what if one player has a slugging average of 0.800 and he went to bat 105 times? How many bases this player counted? Okay, so what you need to do is multiply 105 times 0.800 and you get 84 bases. 84 bases. Okay, so basically this is a pretty simple formula. You can either divide to get the slugging average or multiply at bat times slugging average to get how many bases a player is getting. Okay, now I will move to the other side because I will make an example that is a little bit more complex. Well, remember, when you hit the ball and you get a single, you have one base. If you get a double, it's because you reached two bases. If you hit a triple, it's because you got three bases. And when you get a home run, you get four bases: first, second, third, and home. Okay, so how many bases are possible in this case? All right, the formula, or the complete or full formula for this slugging average is this: 1 times the singles plus 2 times the doubles plus 3 times the triples plus 4 times the home runs. And everything should be divided by the at bat. Okay, so as you can see, the bases counted is actually this. If you have one single, it's only one base. If you have a double, are 2 bases. If you have a triple, 3 bases, and you have a home run, 4 bases. Okay, so let's work with an example of this. Let's say that we have certain player, and the statistics are 2 singles, doubles are 4, triples are 6, and we have 8 home runs. Okay, the at bat is 150. So that means that this player went 150 times to the bat position. Okay, so how do I get his score to get him, or to know whether this player is good or not? Okay, just follow the formula. Okay, let's follow the formula, and equals, we have 150 at bat times 150, and we have 2 times 1 plus 4 times 2 plus 6 times 3 plus 8 times 4. Okay, so you can see is 1 is because of the singles, 2 is because of the doubles, 3 is because of the triples, and 4 is because of the home runs. Okay, if we continue with this, everything is divided by 150. Okay, so we have 2 plus 8 plus 18 plus 32. Okay, if you add everything, you get 60 divided by 150. Okay, and when you get that, is 0.400. So this is the slugging average for this player. Okay, please take notes of this example. These examples, we have 3 examples, and we will continue with 2 more. Okay. Okay, let's continue with the other examples. I will start erasing this part. This part of the board. Okay, and now we have a player, and we have the statistics of this player, but the thing that we don't know is how many times this player went to bat, or to the bat position, or to hit the ball. Okay, so please look for this statistic. This is the 4th problem, and the statistics is singles 6, doubles 5, triples 4, home runs 3, at bat X, we don't know. The slugging average is 0.615, 0.615. Okay, all right, if you take a look to the formula, we need to organize everything according to this. We start with the slugging average, which is here. Okay, the slugging average is, in this case, is 0.615 equals, what we don't know is the at bat. We don't know how many times this player needed to go to bat, so it's X. We know singles, we have 6 times 1 plus 5 times 2 plus 4 times 3 plus 3 times 4. Okay, remember, 1 is single, 2 is double, 3 is triple, and 4 is home run. Okay, And we continue with this equation. It's a first grade equation, 0.615. 0.615 is the slugging average equals, and we multiply 6, 10, 12, and 12. Okay? When we add all those numbers, we get 40 divided by x. Okay? So 0.615 equals 40 divided by x. Okay? X times 0.615 equals 40. Okay, I move the x to the opposite side. X equals 40 divided by 0.615 because I move this factor to the other side of the equation. And x equals 65. 65 at bad times. Okay, so in order to get this slugging average and with all these scores, that player needed to be hitting the ball 65 times. Okay, now I will move to the other side to continue with other example. Okay, for this example, the thing that we don't know is the doubles. We don't know how many doubles. So let's mark with an X because it's an unknown quantity. But the slugging average is 0.800. Singles, we have 10. Triples, 8. And 7 home runs with 100 at bat. 100 at bat means that the player went 100 times to bat or to hit the ball. Okay, once again, following the same system or the same procedure, we start with the slugging average equals 0.800 equals at bat is 100, so we write the 100 right here, and then the singles is 10 times 1 plus doubles, we don't know, so it's just 2x plus 8 times 3 plus 7 times 4. Okay, so this is the equation that we will solve. Okay, 0.800 equals 10 plus 2x plus 24 plus 28 divided by 100. 0.800 equals, let's make an addition of 10 plus 24 plus 28. That is 62. 2x plus 62 divided by 100. Okay, this 100 needs to be in the opposite side. Okay, so 0.800 times 100 equals 2x plus 62. When I multiply this times this, I get 80. 80 equals 2x plus 62. I can move the 62 to the other side as a negative, and we have 80 minus 62 equals 2x. 18 equals 2x. 2x equals 18. X equals 18 divided by 2, which is 9, or 9 doubles. Okay, please also copy this, and this is the 5th problem for direct instruction. Okay, remember that the topic is slugging average, and it goes with the topic weighted average. Okay, as you can see, we're getting an average based on a value or a weight. It is more important a home run than a triple. A triple is better than a double, and a double is better than a single. So you can see they will give you more points to the home run.